Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today is package day. That's right folks, today's package day comes to us from Thumper, my brother Thumper. Good deal, man. So I've already cut this here, so let's go ahead and dig on in. Let's see what we got from my brother Thumper. I've had this for a little while and I just haven't opened it yet because I've kind of been down in the shits. So, wow, dude, a ton of stuff, man. Ton of stuff, bro. This is craziness. It's just a piece of paper. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got first here. We have a word lock. Okay. We're going to have to figure that guy out. Yeah, I'm not too keen on any type of locks, but I don't know if I have to figure it out. Alright, we have this guy here. It looks like this is by Thumper, and it says walking down this lonely road. Huh, cool. I just love no challenge locks, man. We have a brand new master lock. I have to see about picking this guy. Oh, it's one of these with the key. Huh. Interesting. Okay. This was in it too. Oh, it's a little lock like that. I didn't notice that initially. Cool little lock. I've opened one of these once before. They're not that. They're interesting, to say the least. Okay, this is Thumper's logo. This looks like a quick set. This is fix me please, let Thumper know. Alright, so we get to fix this guy. That'll be interesting. I don't know what's wrong with it. Fix me please, let Thumper know. Some of the pins and oh wow. Some of this boy. We're gonna have to work on that one. That's gonna be interesting. Interesting to say the least. Looks like we have a Euro cylinder here. Cardboard. Box HB. Harry Bow. Harry Bow? Number 29. Nice. And last but not least, multi-lock. Sweet, dude. I get to work on something better now for with my dimple picking. So that's impressive. That's really cool. I got that one already. Well, anyway, all the stuff here came in to us from Thumper. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.